snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. We're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, yeah. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah, a Merry Christmas Day. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas Day.
Hey guys, I know, right? Long time no see. Just kidding. Anyway, today is Vlogmas day 25. Of course, as you know, it is the last day of Vlogmas. And today has been such a great day, spending time with family. Of course, my battery is about to die. Like, come on. Today was such a great day. Spending time with my family, watching movies, playing Uno. That's always fun. We do that literally every year. And I'm just happy that I can finally rest. I don't have to film, edit, and post every day. But I'm gonna do my advent with my sisters today. Are you guys ready?
Yeah, let me do my thumbnail.
Okay. I'm not feeling mine here. Okay, close your eyes. Yes, you can. It's the last one. You'll know which one. Okay, okay, ready?
I hold it up. I hold it up. I'm holding it up. I'm not even showing you guys. 3, 2, 1. Whoa.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, let me see the last one. Yeah.
What I was expecting. But
No, this
Christmas
is
tree.
nice.
I guess.
It is a Christmas
I
tree.
think that-
It literally looks
Sorry.
it literally looks just like a Christmas tree. Well, the colors. You'll see more when I hold it up. When I hold it up like on the top from above. But you can see there are some browns in there with the greens. And the lighter greens like around here. Lighter browns, darker browns. This is really nice. Not what I was expecting, because I expected like something lighter, but I don't know why I thought that. But anyway, it's still good. Let me show you from above. Oh my gosh, everything. I will show you everything from above, all 25 days. All right, here are all 25 days. I feel like it only faded in like certain sections. So from this day to this day, it faded nicely. And then it started like a new kind of fade here in this section. And then I don't know what the heck was going on right here. But then from here to the rest of the days, I feel like that was a fade. But then altogether, it really looks nice. I like the different sections. Next year, I'll for sure get another advent. I don't know if it stop making me laugh. I don't know if it will be with the same indie dyer or with another indie dyer, if I'll get multiple ones. We will just see. Okay, that is all that.
Look at that screen.
That is all that I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for taking this journey with me and with my sisters. And opening up yarn every single day was so great. I have no clue what I'm gonna make with this. Absolutely none. I probably won't touch it until like next Christmas, let's be honest, okay? My cat is trying to walk all over my yarn. Okay, he was. Anyway, that is all. I will see you guys next year with another video. Okay, I hope you guys had a great holiday, and by next year I mean January 1st. I recorded a video today for January 1st. It's probably gonna be like an hour long, so get ready. And remember to like this video, subscribe if you're new and you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys next time, next year. Goodbye.